Hello everyone. In this video, we will understand how do we find the natural logarithm of 2. I am taking 2 because we know natural logarithm of 2. If we use a scientific calculator, we will get the value 0.693. So in order to arrive at that, how can we use a non-scientific calculator to find the same value? That is what we are going to understand in this video. What are the steps involved in it? First step is type that number, means I need to type number 2. Then press the square root symbol 12 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. After doing this 12 times, the resultant value will be subtracted with 1. So minus 1. Then we can press the equality sign to get this value. And whatever resultant value now what you got, we need to multiply it with 4096 multiplied by 4096. Press equality sign. This is what is natural logarithm of 2's value 0.693. In case if we are interested in finding logarithm of 2 to the base 10, then what we do is this resultant value will be divided with 2.3026. So divided by 2.3026. 0.3010 is the logarithm of 2 to the base 10 value. Now we will understand how do we find e to the power of 0.693, value of e power 0.693. Why I am considering 0.693 is, we know e power 0.693 should give us 2 as the value. Now let us see how do we find that value using a non-scientific calculator. So the very first step is type the number 0.693. Then divide it by 4096 divided by 4096. Press equality symbol. Then add 1 plus 1. Then press equality symbol. Whatever resultant number we got, now what we have to do is we have to press this multiplication symbol and equality symbol 12 times at a time. In the sense, multiplication equal to first time, multiplication equal to second time, like that. Now, once we pressed 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5th time, 6th time, 7th time, 8th time, 9th time, 10th time, 11th time, 12th time. This result what we got, it is 1.999, which is nothing but approximated to 2 only. So that is how we can say now e to the power of 0.693 is 2. In case if you find the contents of this video to be useful to you, I request you to please like it, share it with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.